There are two parts to it, visible and the other is post 7 October 2023. This part we will deal in the next slide or the next day because it's old dated. And here we see the rise of Gaza, the rise of Hamas, and the difference between Hamas, Palestine, and PA, that is Palestinian Authority, or also known as Fatah. We will see in the future classes what these all mean. This is the historical background. The present context is this: what happened post after 7th October. That's why it's in the news for the last 2 years, and Trump is always in the news for the last generations. Okay, here's the next slide. See what happened in briefly, just 2 lines. What happened on the 7th October? There's a Islamist, Palestinian Sunni Islamist group named as Hamas. They attacked on Israel and killed roughly 1200 Israelis and captured 251 hostages. See, this hostage is very important because the whole fight after that is for rescuing these hostages. This is a very simple fact. There's a military organization known as Hamas. It attacked on its neighboring